Hello, beautiful people. Trust you are doing good. My name is Okpeyemi Oluwabusola, and I'm welcoming you to this video on how to set up your WhatsApp profile as your WhatsApp business profile to make more sales. Because in making sales, there are some little things that you need to put in place that will make your page and everything that you are using for your marketing online to look like it before a customer can say they want to buy from you. So part of it is optimizing and setting up your WhatsApp business account appropriately. So I'm going to be showing us how to do that today. So there are two popular WhatsApp that people use these days. We have the personal WhatsApp and we have the business WhatsApp. So my teaching is majorly on the business WhatsApp, because if you are into business, you should be using the WhatsApp business, because if you are using the personal WhatsApp, it's limited in its features, so you might not be able to do some things. But when you are using your WhatsApp business, you will be able to do a lot of things on it. You'll be able to use more of the features that is available on the WhatsApp business in your business. So that is what I'm going to be teaching us today. So let's get started into it. Let me just show you something before we go ahead. So on this place, you can see this icon and this one. Those two icons are the icon for WhatsApp. So we have the WhatsApp business and we have the normal WhatsApp. I have both on my phone. So it is the WhatsApp business that we're going to be working with. So before you go ahead, in case you don't have the WhatsApp business, you need to download it from Google Play Store. You can just go to Play Store. As if you are using Android phone, go to Play Store. And once you're on Play Store, you just search for WhatsApp business. Is showing us different options. You click on the WhatsApp business. So, and here we have it. See it now. So you can just my own is because I've already downloaded it. That's why it's displaying on in front of it update. If I've not downloaded it, it will ask me to install. Then after installing, then I can now start making use of it. But because I've already installed it, so I'm just going to go. I'm not doing updates currently, but from time to time, if you have it on your phone already, you have to be doing updates. But I'm not ready for updates now because I'm doing tutorial. That's not why want to I come here. So I'm going back to my WhatsApp, so I can just tap on it from here as well. So I'm going back to my WhatsApp. I'll come back to my phone, then click on the WhatsApp. So I am now on my WhatsApp. So then the next thing now, if you check down here, you'll see all the how it works. That you see charts, you see calls, updates, and tools. So I already set up all this. So in this update, that's where we have the status is there. Then you can also use channel, WhatsApp channel. There's WhatsApp channel now, like you have on Telegram. You have Telegram channel. We also have WhatsApp channel. Then you can also see the channels of every other person that has their channel. So you can decide to join anyone. So, but I'm going to be looking at the tools. Let's go to where we have the tools. So I can see some information. You can see the performance, last 7 days performance, 6 conversation started, catalog views and status views. So my catalog, I don't have anything on catalog currently, so that's why I'm not having any views on it. So then you can see down here, then you can also boost your posts. You see your ads. So it said continue creating ad. So I'm not creating ad now. Then down here you can see the business tools. We have the profile, meta, verify catalog, advertise, manage ads, Facebook and Instagram, greeting message, away message. So these are some of the tools that I'm going to teach you how to make use of. So you can access each of the tools from here, or if you are not accessing it from there, let's go back to the chat. That's like the home page of the WhatsApp. You can just tap on these three dots icon here, then it brings out the manage ad, the business tools, new group, new broadcast, communities, labels, link devices, start message and settings. So we can still do more from this side. So if we click on the business tools now, it has brought us back to where we have the profile, the meta, verify, catalog, and the rest of them. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to set up our profile, just like you set up your profile on other social media platforms like the Facebook and Instagram. You can also set up your profile on WhatsApp. So, and that is what we are doing right now. So on this space, the icon here, this icon, that's the camera icon. You can use it when you want to put a new picture on your cover photo. So that space that you are seeing is what we refer to as cover photo. Then the other small circle in front of it, this one here, is what we refer to as the profile picture. So now I've tapped on the cover photo, then you click on the gallery. That's if you want to pick from your gallery. If you just want to take the picture and put, you can click on camera. So but I have pictures on my gallery already, so I'm going to click on gallery. Then I come to all photos. You can see for pictures of different kinds of fabric. So I'm just using this one since we are practicing. So the side that is showing the rectangle part is what will be displayed by the time you are putting it on that place. So if you want to adjust it, if it is not clear enough, or you want people to see more, or there is a place or a part of the picture that you want them to see clearly, so you can adjust this rectangle to whatever you want them to see. So you can do it this way. So once you have adjusted it, then you click on done. So it's loading. You should change. That's my actual okay icon. You can see now it has changed the picture to the fabric picture that I just posted. Then you can also come to the second camera icon that is on the profile picture. So once you tap on it, it brings out down here, brings out the avatar, gallery, and camera. So I'm not using avatar and I'm not using camera, so I just go directly to my gallery. Then I click all pictures, so I can just decide to pick a picture of what I want to use. Let me just use the picture that has been there already, or let's use this picture. So the same way, you can also do adjustments depending on how you want it to display on that profile place. So once you have done the adjustments, then you click on done. So you can see it has changed now to the fabric. So that's how to put your cover photo and your profile picture on your WhatsApp business account. Then the next thing is the name. Under it, you will see boost or share. You can boost your um your WhatsApp page too. You can boost the pictures and everything like that. So that's not what we are going to be. It's for advanced people. So for beginners and those that are just trying to set up their WhatsApp business page, let's go ahead. So here you have the business name. You can see under it business name. Then under that you see category. Then the next one is showing add address. That's business address. Then add a website. Then under it we see have add business email, add description. Then you have add business hours. So we are going to be adding all those ones. But let me just stop this video here. I don't want it to be too long. So I'm stopping this video now. In the next video, I'll show us how to add our business name and other things we need to add. So stay with me. Don't go away. I will be right back.